Page 40, gliding alone. At the top of the page, they're showing you a different position for the left hand. This is a C position for the left hand. Remember, we've been in middle C position where your left hand has actually been in an F position because that's the bottom note where it's been. But now it's a C position. We're going to move the left hand down here where it's a C below middle C, one octave down. All the fingers go on it like so. That's where it is. It's up to you to know the names of the notes in the music that correspond to this. They've got them at the top there. Just learn them. Well, let's cover this gliding alone. Other than you're in a new position with new notes to learn, they're not really presenting anything new. We've had all this before. 3/4 time. You're starting out medium loud, MF, and you're crescendoing to the end of the line. The second line, you're decrescendoing or getting softer. There's repeat signs, so we're going to play it twice. You got the big slur line, the phrase line, so each line is one musical sentence. So you're going to connect each note, but you're going to lift up at the end of the line before you go on. So there's a little silence between the notes there. And the same thing at the end of the second line. When you repeat, lift up. Of course, it's easier to do when you're playing the same note because you have to. That works out. Plan your crescendo out again. And then your decrescendo, plan that out. Don't go down to medium loud till the end. In fact, if you wanted to, you could get away with not doing much of any crescendo or decrescendo for a couple measures. And you can save it all for the end. You know, like the third measure of each line. Then you can change if you want to. In my mind, you can. You see, generally when you crescendo or decrescendo, it's not a straight line going up. It's just a little bit, and as you get to the end, it starts to do that. And that's the shape of it. The same thing with a decrescendo going down. It's just barely going down till the end, and then you start to go down. So you save most of it to the end anyway. And here, if you wanted to save it all pretty much to the end, that's fine. I think that works out better than trying to figure out how to space this out across 4 measures. Ugh. Well, let's try this out slowly to check the notes and the rhythms. It's a 3/4 time. I'll give us 3 counts. So go ahead and put your left hand in C position. You can leave your right hand on your lap. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Repeat. 2. 2. 2, 3, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, off. There is a teacher accompaniment at the bottom. I'd like to play that. And you play this waltz thingy, the gliding alone thingy that we just did. I'm going to speed it up a bit. I'm not speeding it up to what they're indicating because that is really fast what they're indicating. So I'll give us 3 counts, and we are going to repeat this. 1, ready, go.